short video really quick because they surprised us. So today is, what is he pressure washing?
Pressure washing to get any loose old paint off.
So yeah, so they're gonna start the cage. They're gonna pressure wash, I'm gonna say that really fast without slurring, the cage today to get any loose paint off. And
Written on the floor.
that's from the roof.
Yeah.
Okay, gotta get to work. But they're gonna pressure wash this today, starting today. Okay, I don't know if you can see him up there, but our cage guys are here today. It's January 30th. They're starting the process of repair, repaint, rescreen. This is all from Hurricane Ian. Of course, Vince is out there. My friends are like, how is this gonna do this? I'm like, he's gonna climb on top of the cage. That's how.
Yep.
All right, just a quick video. The guys had to run an errand, so I figured I would take a video while they're gone. So they took the screens down. They're replacing the screws, all the hardware. So you can see our door is gone. We're gonna get a new door. This is new, right here. And then this, we now have a corner piece back. So from the storm, we were missing like this whole piece, this piece fell in, and then the piece across the bottom. You can see here, they still have to put that piece on. It looks so weird without the screen. Look at it. So, let's go over here to the other part that was damaged. Over here, that piece was. Oh, you see, it's still flapping in the wind. And up here, no screen. So they're going to repair it all. A couple spaces were damaged. No door. Repair, repaint, and rescreen. So today's the first day that they've started working on this. They did have a guy come last week to power wash it all before they took it apart. So it's not too dirty before they paint it. All right, we'll keep you posted on the progress. All right, just a quick little video. The guys are here working on the lanai cage in the back, and they're also going to take care of this area too. We have some holes now from, it's right there, there's one, I guess from some debris flying around during the hurricane. So the screen is actually covered under the insurance part. But while they're here, we're gonna have them obviously rescreen. There's another hole. There's a couple holes up top. So we're gonna have them rescreen, and then we're gonna cover the cost of painting it. Just because if they're taking it apart, they might as well paint it. So that's this. So they're gonna repaint all the framing and rescreen. Now up in here, I don't know if you can see that little skylight area. That's an atrium that we have off of our master bedroom. The screens also were torn away from the hurricane. So they're gonna be repairing that as well. Put new screens in there for us. And that's it. We should be done after that. So I'll take a video of them in the back. They have music blasting, so I can't go back there because then the you guys will hear the music. But let me see what I can do. All right, just a little peek after day 2. They rebuilt that whole corner section, and they actually started to paint the frame over there. This section right here was missing pieces, so they rebuilt that piece, put it back together, and they started painting. I mean, I don't know the way the sun is. You can really see anything, but this part looks nice. And then over here, they didn't get to yet, but you can see the discoloration over there. So they're gonna paint all that. They're gonna put all new screws in, and it'll all be repainted. So they did this section today. Just don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah. So, coming along. Let's see what they did, if anything, on the outside, which I don't think so. They might have sanded. Yeah, they sanded the bottom today. There it is, with no screen. Looks better without the screen, but bugs are not my friends. So we need the screen. Huh. Look at that. Sorry, the sun. And here's the new corner. All right, so they'll be back tomorrow. Day 3. You could see over we have the screens in, and then no screens up here. The way the sun is hitting them, the glare. We're getting the super screen, the super no-seeum screen. So this is supposed to stop the no-seeum bugs coming into the lanai. But the way the sun hits it, it makes it a little blurry. But not bad. Day 3. I think they're done with painting. That triangle piece, I don't know if you can see it, in the corner is what we need now to hook the wires to. Right up there. Alright, so day 3. Almost done. No screen. Screen. Okay. The end of day 4. Pretty much almost done. It looks like a brand new cage. It's incredible. So here we had the Florida glass put in because we had bushes on the other side of this door over here. And I hated them. First, to maintain them, they were a pain in the ass. But after the hurricane, they kind of like leaned over to the side, so they were falling like this way. So we ripped them out, and we put in the it's called the Florida glass. So gives you a little bit of privacy, so that our neighbors, you know, when we're in our pool, just because of the way our pools are lined up with each other. See, there and there. So, yes, that's still hurricane water, canal water from the hurricane. Yeah. So, we did the Florida glass on the bottom panels, and then that door, once it's closed, it'll have the Florida glass. So, like when you're sitting here, you get a little privacy from over there. And this is what just needs to be finished, this section over here. And they also did our front atrium, or lanai, coming in. I'll take pictures of that later. But this is all that needs to be done. And they should be done tomorrow. It looks like a brand new cage. It looks like a brand new cage. Day 5. The cage is complete. Repairs were done. It was repainted and rescreened. And we did the privacy screen over there. So, very windy today. We'll put some of the stuff back. All right. 2 new doors. There. And here. And we'll go outside. Ooh, the wind at the door. and it's all one color. Our other cage was different color for fading, and then the previous owners tried to paint it. So looks good. Okay, super windy today. So this is the front. It's repaired. They repaired the screen, and then they repainted the frame spreads. And then on the side as well. Looks good. Alright, that's it. We're done. In that area, they put new screens in. So, alright. Hurricane Ian repairs are done. And it all looks perfect. Looks good. Thanks for watching. Please like,